Hi Flosstube, I'm Michelle from Michelle's Romantic Tangle, and it is Friday, December 20th, 2019. It is not Christmas yet. I was asked yesterday if I'm just giving up on Christmas for this year, and I've got 5 days left. It is not Christmas yet, so I may not be prepared, but you can't pick on me about that until midnight on the 24th. Then we might discuss it. Because it's totally not too late to start deciding to make Christmas gifts, right? I'm doing dishcloths for someone who I'm pretty sure does not watch Flosstube. And this is the Mason-Dixon knitting ball band dishcloth. It's not, I can't remember, there's a history to this. It was like on sugar and cream ball bands or something. And it is a combination of garter stitch and slip stitches. And these two are the same colors reversed. They're fast. It is an easy to memorize pattern, and I am hoping I can have 3 done before Christmas to give as a gift with some dish soap or something that makes it obvious it's for the kitchen. I could totally do this. It's whether I can do this in the 2 other gifts that I also have planned that I might run into trouble with. I've been stitching. I've been running around like a maniac trying to Christmas shop, but I've been stitching, and look, I apologize if you are sick of crocuses on the windowsill. I know I have shown this and gushed over this in every video for I don't know how long, but look, I have a little bit of window and a little bit of window and then the back stitching, and it is done. And I'm just happy. This is the biggest thing, full coverage, that I've stitched in a long time. And it has been fun, and I love the way it looks, and I'm giddy. And the process of stitching this, I've decided I don't mind confetti stitching much right now. So I know last time I told you I was going to work on Canner's Kitchen, there was a slight complication with Canner's Kitchen and what appears to be another error in the chart, and I decided it would be much more fun to pull out Pyramid of Skulls, and I'm starting to see skulls. Are you? What I'm doing with this one is I did the big patches of black, and then I'm using those kind of as landmarks. So I picked other colors and just gone around the edges of the black, and I keep adding more and following the outline. And aren't those starting to look like skulls? I love this one too. I had plans of what I wanted to get done before the end of the year. This was not part of the plan, but if I am in the mood to do confetti stitching, and this is fiddly. This is not the easiest project on my project list. So if I feel like working on this, I am totally going to seize the moment and work on this. I finished another shawl. This is more of the Hobby Lobby clearance yarn, which is going to be a continuing theme till the end of time because I bought so much of it over the past 2 years. It's just garter stitch and yarn overs for the spine and the sides, and it's a gradient yarn. It is Lion Brand shawl in a ball, 1 skein, nothing but garter stitch until the yarn ran out. Now that I have a big shawl made out of it, I am liking this stuff more and more, which is a good thing because I bought quite a few skeins of it when it was on clearance. And it is, I should have researched this before I pulled this out. So it's 481 yards a skein. Different colorway obviously different colorway. It was marked down to $249 a skein, so I bought all the colorways and was optimistic that I would be able to do something fun with it, and I think this proved that I can. If I was making this for myself, I haven't woven my ends yet. If I was making this for myself, I think I would have used 2 skeins to make it bigger. I'm planning another one, maybe for myself. We'll see what happens to it, but I want to see what this stuff does if you do some simple lace with it. Might not start that till after the first of the year because I'm doing other stuff. And 2 videos ago, I talked about this shawl and that it needed a good home. I had 2 commenters who were both interested in it. So I flipped a coin because two names, it seemed to make more sense to pull a coin out of my pocket than do the random number generator. Marla asks, this is going to come to your house. I will leave a comment on your comment. I need your address, and I will not mail it till after Christmas because somehow it seems like it might be safer if it waits till all the Christmas packages are done. And I've still got all these ends to weave in. I didn't say in the video, but yes, I'm going to weave in all 18 ends before I send this off to you. I'm tired. Last night, I don't know why we went to see the new Star Wars movie on opening night, but we did, and surprisingly, there were only maybe 10, 12 other people in the auditorium we were in. The movie theater had showings starting like every 15 minutes, so I don't know if they were all just in a different auditorium or what the deal was. I don't fully appreciate the Star Wars franchise, so I'm not going to offer judgment on the movie. It was a Star Wars movie. Wasn't the worst Star Wars movie I've seen. And I think this is a 6-minute Flosstube video because that is the stuff I have been working on, and I wanted to catch up and do a video before Christmas because it's been a while since the last one. And like I said, I have been running around and Christmas shopping. I found some really neat stuff when I played hooky from the Christmas shopping to stop at the thrift store. That's the video before this one. Picked up my new glasses this afternoon, and if you have tips for getting used to bifocals when the difference between your near vision and far vision is dramatic, please let me know, because right now these are killing me. I had a tremendous jump in my prescription, so part of it is the being able to actually see instead of seeing 20/40 with my glasses, and part of it is the bifocals, and I can't see my feet. I don't like it. Please tell me it's going to get better. Please tell me if you know how I can make it get better. We didn't get home until 2:30 in the morning, and then I was up early this morning taking off running errands all day, and it is like 6 o'clock, and I just got home from that, and I'm done. I think I'm going to work on those Christmas presents and maybe put a few more stitches in my skulls tonight. And hopefully I get everything done before Christmas Eve, but if I don't, I don't, and I'm not going to be sad about it. I came up with a great place to hide the Christmas presents this year, and I'll tell you about it after Christmas, because if I tell you now, apparently one of my children has been watching Flosstube, and I'm just not going to give him the temptation. I mean, they totally know where I've hid the presents all the other years, but might as well not add to the ease of finding them. I'm Michelle from Michelle's Romantic Tangle. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know, are you ready for Christmas? Are you still making gifts at this late stage of the game? I will be back with you again soon.